M40 back together. If you remember last time I had her out, wiped out, everything broke loose as far as the battery tray, ESC mount, motor mount, stuffing tube, support, you name it. All the epoxy busted loose from the hull. Went back with a different epoxy. Pretty sure I just used the wrong stuff the first time. So we'll see how it does. I don't have my GPS or anything. Just wanted to come give a little shakedown run and see how it does. Yeah. Here we go. Ugh. Whew, it's getting hot. It was raining earlier today. The sun come out and turned into a really pretty day. Calling for rain again tomorrow. It's my little girl's birthday. She'll be turning 3, and we have, of course, an outside birthday planned. Bounce house, water slide, all that. So we'll see what happens. Now I jacked one of the trim tabs way down on the right hand side to try to keep it from torque rolling, but it's just dragging the whole boat down. It's running wet. Can't even hardly get up out of the water. So let me adjust it back down, and I'll just counter the torque roll with a little bit of rudder trim. I know that slows you down a little bit, that rudder not being completely straight, but it's what I found out you run into with big singles torque roll on the monos. All right, here we go. Dooby dooby doo doo. Running. Went up a little too much. She wanted to get a little bit of air there. Shit, right in the grass. Throttle it out. One straggler. Good to go. She's running loose, son. Ugh. Yeah! Oh, landed it. That was fun. Be a good test, see if everything's gonna hold. I don't hear anything bouncing around. Should I bring it in and check it? Probably be the smart thing to do, wouldn't it? God, this boat is so much fun. I know it needs some good fine tuning. I sure wish I could do something about that torque roll. In hindsight, I guess offsetting the drive would have helped counteract that, but that was something I wasn't real familiar with or understood the idea of enough to do it, but it's all right. My camera on, but I didn't. But as you can tell, nothing's loose. It was all good. Oh, good. Should have a little bit of battery left to play. I really need to get a voltage checker. But good thing with the Castle is I set my low voltage cutoff at 3.8 or 3.4, somewhere around there. So it'll let me know at least. Yeah, front end is light. Need to move batteries forward. I need to check my COG. It might not be in the same spot. Even though I epoxied everything back as close as I could, it might have thrown it off. I need to check that out again. stuffed it. Oh well, alright. That's enough. I know she's running loose. She's just all up in the air with that front end. So, got some more stuff to do, but like I said, I just wanted to get it out since I got it back together. And I love this boat, even though it has some a few little issues that I'll try to get worked out. It runs good. It looks great. It's the awesome size. It sounds. It's just cool. I like it. Anyway, thank you. Right quick. Batteries did move forward about an inch, so that's about it from that last stuffing we had out there. Batteries 110, 115 ESC, 98, 96 motor, 90, 87, 88, 93. So this castle, it's not even 100 degrees. Motor's right at 100 degrees on the back side. On the front side, 98 degrees on the back side. I'm sorry, front side 98, back side 100. So barely breaking 100. Anyway, good deal. Everything looks great. A little bit of water. I wonder where that comes from. Bet it comes from the dang old stuffing tube. That thing leaks. That TFL Stinger. I need to put a piece of rubber tubing in between where the stuffing tube actually goes into it. I think it pulls some water from there. I know other people have had issues with it in the past. So anyway,